Welcome to HPHY, Healthy Practices, Healthier You. Losing weight is often associated with eating less, but what if I told you that you can actually lose weight by eating more? You can maintain a healthy weight, no deprivation, no compromises. Yes, it sounds counterintuitive, but by choosing the right foods and understanding how your metabolism works, you can actually eat more while shedding those extra pounds and maintaining a healthy weight. In this video, we'll explain the science behind eating more as you get healthier, the specific foods and habits that make it possible to do so. So how do we do it? How do we lose weight as you eat more? The key to losing weight while eating more lies in nutrient density, in energy balance, and in metabolic efficiency. When we say eating more, we don't mean eating more junk food or calorie-dense snacks. Instead, we mean consuming just more of the right kinds of foods, nutrient-dense, lower calorie options that keep you full and fuel your body properly. Here's how it works. Okay, so we focus on eating nutrient-dense foods over foods with excess calories, like we mentioned, because these nutrient-dense foods provide a lot of vitamins and minerals and fiber, just more nutrients for relatively fewer calories. On the other hand, calorically dense foods pack a lot of calories, as the name infers, and provide limited nutrition and nutrient density, micronutrients in return. And so by eating more nutrient-dense foods like your vegetables, your lean proteins, and whole grains, you can fill your plate and feel satisfied without overloading on calories. These foods are rich in fiber and protein, which just help you stay fuller for longer. Another way that we can focus on just losing weight or maintaining a healthy weight while eating more and being satisfied and satiated and not feeling deprived is focusing on the thermic effect of food. While this is minimal, different foods require different amounts of energy to digest, absorb, and metabolize. I think we've talked about this in other videos before, like protein, for example, has a high thermic effect, meaning that your body burns more calories digesting protein compared to fats and carbohydrates. So by eating more protein-rich foods, you can increase your metabolism and burn more calories even when you're resting. Another way is to focus on volumetrics and satiety. It's one more technique that allows you to increase your food intake while losing weight or maintaining a healthy weight. So the volumetrics approach to eating focuses on consuming foods with high water content and fiber. So these foods take up more space in your stomach and they help you feel full faster, which can prevent overeating. These foods like fruits and veggies and soups are low in calories but very high in volume, allowing you to eat more while also feeling content and satisfied and consuming significantly fewer calories. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day. Subscribe if you find this useful.